Hello friends, it's Susie with Gemini Connect, and today I'm here with the DJI Osmo Pocket. Now this camera is known for its video capabilities, but it also has a photo function. So today I'm going to take it out to see what kind of photos I can get with the Osmo Pocket. And we're here at Kubota Garden, which is a Japanese garden in South Seattle. So we're going to explore and capture some photos, and I will show you what it looks like. So come along with me. So this is the Osmo Pocket, and as you can see it comes in a cute little case, as well as a wrist strap. And you just open that case and take the camera out, and it has a little LCD in the back as well as the camera up top, and the camera is supported by a gimbal, meaning that all the footage that you take with this camera is really stable. So it's great for walking shots or B-roll, which is the main purpose that we use this camera for. And when you power it on, the gimbal spins around and goes to work, and it just stabilizes that camera. So you can be moving around like this and it stays really stable. So if you have a phone with a USB-C input, I think there's also a lightning cable or a lightning jack if you have an iPhone, you can just plug that in, and you'll have to download the DJI Mimo app. When it's connected and the Mimo app is activated, you now have a really huge LCD. That makes it much easier to see your shots and compose. So now we're going to go through a quick walk in the park. I believe it's about to rain, so hopefully we can get some shots before the downpour starts. Alright, so it's now raining fairly hard as it does in the Seattle area, but I wrapped up my test with the DJI Osmo Pocket, shooting around the gardens. I got some pretty cool shots, and definitely using my phone as an LCD helped. But my instinct so far is that this is still not really a photography camera. Even though it has the ability to take photos, this is still very much a camera for videos and taking B-roll, just like behind the scenes shots as you're shooting. So let's go ahead and take a look at some of those photos on the big screen, and you let me know what you think about the photo quality.